A vision of the night. A young woman was home resting and a vision chipped in. It was like she was getting a secret view. She found herself in a whole different world or dimension, but it was very dark and it felt like a lot of advanced technology was there, but the ambience was the underworld. It was pitch dark, but she still could make out what she was shown. She saw something like a tower, and her eyes started at the base first. As her eyes climbed to the top, she could hear a dark, evil silence with metal clinking.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
When her eyes finally got to the top, she saw a tall, strong demon. He sat down on a very big throne, and then he crowned himself with a crown with 3 parts. One on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left. Then the vision chipped out. She perceived it as he was now here and his reign is soon to come. He emitted so much power and darkness and anger, it's like he finally got something he waited so long for. He looked like a demon made from rust, dark and deep brown. He was very tall and looked like a monster, but built like he was well-toned, no clothes. No privates, but he was an arrogant energy, very prideful, angry and evil.
Follow Jamaican true stories for more.